Hi, everybody. Audio Musafi here. I'm the founder and CEO of Truffle and also a Salesforce CTA. As a support leader, not all cases are equal. Some are routine, some are signals of a customer about to churn, and the hard part is that you only realize it after it's too late, when customer has already escalated or left. So reps are buried in case emails and updates, and usually sentiments gets lost in the noise. So managers rely on gut feel or late intervention. That means inconsistent handling, delayed escalation, and preventable churn. Today, I'm going to walk you through a real use case of a payment failure and how Agentforce can surface some of these signals for us in advance and how we can automate this to run your workflows and escalate things before the customer churns. Let's dive in. All right. So I'm logged in as a customer success rep and I'm in this case record. And what's happening behind the scene, I have this component that Agentforce is running for me that calculates the case sentiment. What it's doing now is taking the case speed, case details, case emails, and all the relevant information and running it against Agentforce to provide the sentiment of this customer and a timeline. So as you can see, the customer sentiment currently is negative. Customer is dissatisfied due to unresolved payment failures and delayed resolution. And it shows me a timeline of what has happened. So customer reports payment failures and expresses frustration, noting urgent need for the order. And customer follows up expressing disappointment with the delay and requests escalation. And then here are the recommended actions to improve sentiment. So as you can imagine, this can be a triggering point for an auto escalation in this case. And also the recommended action can be trainings that you have provided to your reps how to handle those situations. And this can be dynamic. So depending on the type of negative sentiment, you can show relevant information. And also it gives you a follow-up and timelines, as we can see here. So potentially you can avoid some of these and automate your systems to be able to get in front of these negative sentiments for your customers and improve your CSAT. The lesson here is very simple. Every case is a potential signal. If you wait until a customer explicitly asks for escalation, you're already too late. Sentiment analysis gives you a way to catch those signals early and act consistently. Instead of guessing which cases need extra attention, your team can see the sentiment trends at a glance and act on the right playbook automatically. This means fewer surprises, less firefighting, and faster resolution. And support isn't just about these closing tickets. It's about protecting your revenue. Turning these case sentiments into actionable playbook is how you move from reactive support to proactive retention. If you're wondering how many of your cases are hiding negative sentiment today, run a quick diagnostics. We can show you a sentiment map of your top 50 open cases. Contact us at hello@trufflecorp.com and we'll be in touch with you shortly.